It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. Jesus replied, "Do you believe because you see me? Happy are those who don't see me and yet believe." John 20:29. Be blessed. Hey, how are you doing? My name is ApHogee Elizabeth, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, hey, you're whoa. You're most definitely welcome. Okay, my page focuses on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you like those type of content, this channel, I meant to say that. This channel is definitely for you. So without further ado, let's get whoa there. How disrespectful. If you are a returning subscriber, sis, I didn't forget about you. Why would I forget about you? You already know the vibes. What it do, baby? I hope you're doing well. So yes, now that we got everything together, I will never forget about your returning subscriber. This video right here is sponsored. Wow, I don't think she would want to sponsor this video. This video right here was inspired by only one Jess. I absolutely love her hair videos. She is a natural hair YouTuber on here on YouTube. YouTuber on here YouTube. You get what I'm saying. She does natural hair videos, and she tried out this product, and I was like, oh baby, you got what I need. So I had to go cop it because it made her hair texture look so good. Look, I can't even talk. It made her hair texture look so good. I had to go and cop me this product. And it is the ApHogee. I think that's how you pronounce it, ApHogee. Yeah, so ever since she tried it, I was like, sis, this is made for you. But before we start this whole ApHogee Curlific texture treatment, we're gonna go through the process of actually, you know, deep conditioning and all that good jazz. So we're gonna be doing the Indian Aztec clay, which is the Indian healing clay. And I like to apply my Indian Aztec clay with apple cider. And I've already did a video on how I do my mixture. But if you are new, you get the special treatment, girl. I am going to show you how I do this. So when it comes to this Indian Aztec clay, what I like to do is I don't measure this. A lot of people measure this. I really don't, because when I measure, it's never the right amount. So we're just gonna dip it in there. You put as much as you can. It depends on how thick your hair is. But because I'm also gonna be using this for my face, we go in. So yeah, we put about this much. Okay, see that? That much. And then we add the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And we're gonna make sure this is closed before we open it. Shake, 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 baby. Apple cider vinegar stinks. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and you're supposed to apply it with a measuring cup, but because I'm an OG, I know when to stop when it comes to this product right here. You get a plastic teaspoon or a wooden spoon. You're not supposed to blend this item with a metal, because that's what it says. Read the label. It will give you an explanation why you can't do that. But scientifically speaking, just don't do it, okay? Just don't do it. So yeah, I'm gonna use my plastic spoon, and I'm just going to mix it all. I think I need more than that. Girl, your hair getting thick. Come on, somebody. So before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and change because I need to. This is my favorite hoodie, girl. Girl. So now that we have changed, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this area right here. Wait, this moment right here, and I'm going to add my Aztec clay. I rinsed out the hair mask, and now I'm about to try the ApHogee. Sorry. I'm about to try the Curlific texture treatment. And as you guys can tell, this is how my curls look. Well, not my curls, but my hair looks like right now. There's no type of texture dripping on there. And I am low porosity, if you are wondering. Yes, ma'am. So this is... Ooh! It smells really good. Oh my god, this actually smells pretty good. I might eat it. Okay. My hair's in section. I'm gonna get about this much. And it says leave it in your hair for 1 minute. Well, by the time I'm done, it's 1 minute is about to pass me by. Okay, so as you can tell, this is low porosity hair. Product just tends to sit on your hair when you want it to work. Like, what's up, baby? What's going on? But we're gonna leave it in for 1 minute. That's what it says. I think 1 minute was already up. Now it is. So it says to go wash it off, to go rinse it off with cold water. So yeah, we're gonna go rinse it off with cold water. So far, I feel like I'm gonna like it. If we don't like it, we're returning it. And that's on what? Period. Anywho, let me go wash this before my hair falls off. Hopefully it doesn't. Y'all didn't tell me that my lips was looking ashy. Y'all are rude. Like, how dare you? Yeah, so after I rinsed it out, I had to condition my hair. This is by far one of my favorite conditioner ever on the market. It is the Miracle Moist conditioner. It's with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. Yeah, something about avocado that my hair loves. And y'all know avocado is expensive. We bougie. She's bougie. I trained her well. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It did some things. It did some things. I ain't gonna lie. It really did do some things. Like, y'all see this? Look at the texture. Look at the texture. Okay. It did its thing. I could definitely tell that this worked. Okay. I can definitely tell that this worked because there are some places that normally doesn't curl up when I wash it. But the real test is after I apply my Shea Pro Leave-In moisturizer. I'm gonna add this to my hair. It did leave my hair soft though, I ain't gonna lie. It smells so good. Their product smells really good. It has like this fragrance smell. Child, yes. Look at the curls. Girl, yes. So this product is not made to curl your hair. It's just to moisturize your hair. And I must say, the moisturization is there, honey. Okay. So I'm gonna reapply my oil. And then it says in the back, it says, do not rinse. Okay. For more intensive treatment, cover with plastic bag for 30 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So as of right now, I am gonna say that my curls look so pretty. And after applying my Curl La La Aunt Jackie Defining Curls Curl La La product, it looks really cool. But the thing about my hair is it takes a while for the curl patterns to actually form. I don't know if it's like a low porosity thing, but this is not my actual curl pattern. It hasn't shrinked yet. When they shrink, you will see the work of this product right here. This is a great product, okay? So yeah, overall, as far as this texture treatment product right here, oh la 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 la. J'aime ça beaucoup. J'aime ça. I absolutely like this thing right here. It did like reactivate my curl. I know if you use this, how many times are you supposed to use this? If you use this every other week, it should form your curls really well. So yeah, it repairs damaged curls, coil, and waves. So I'm definitely gonna be adding this in my weekly deep conditioner process or wash day, because it really did form like curls that was having a hard time to form. So I'm definitely excited to see what's to come with this product right here. So as far as this product, it was really good. It left my curls looking really great, very juicy, and all of the above. Well, what's all of the above? It looked really good, okay? So don't mind me. I'm enjoying the process right now, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of tutorial or reviews, you want me to review a product, leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to do so. And if you're a new subscriber, sis, you know what to do. Subscribe, sis. Press the notification bell button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.